In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive folder specifically for storing your photos. Google Drive is an incredibly useful tool for keeping your files organized and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. If you're looking to back up your photos to a safe and secure online space, Google Drive is a fantastic option. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Once there, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. You'll see your Google Drive dashboard, which is the central hub for all your files and folders. Next, let's create a new folder to store your photos. Look for the New button, usually located in the upper left corner of the screen, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Folder. After selecting Folder, a prompt will appear asking you to name your new folder. This name is entirely up to you, but for clarity and ease of access, it's helpful to choose something simple and obvious such as Photos. Once you've typed in the desired name, click Create. With your new folder created, it's time to add your photos to it. Click on the folder you just created to open it, or if you have an existing folder where you'd like to store your photos, go ahead and navigate to that one. Once you're inside the folder, click the New button once more. This time, from the drop-down menu, select File Upload. This option allows you to upload individual files from your computer to Google Drive. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files and folders. Now navigate to the location on your computer where your photos are stored. You can select multiple photos at once by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking on the files. Once you've selected the photos you wish to upload, click Open or Upload depending on your operating system. Google Drive will then begin the upload process. You'll see a progress bar indicating how long it will take for your photos to be transferred to the cloud. The time needed will depend on the size and number of the photos as well as your internet connection speed. Once the upload is complete, your photos are safely stored in the cloud, accessible anytime you need them. With these steps, your photos are not only backed up but also organized and easy to access whenever you want to revisit your memories. Remember to keep your Google Drive organized by routinely sorting and labeling your photos as needed. This way, finding them later will be a breeze. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your photo collection with peace of mind knowing they're securely stored. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.